Yo guys, we are rolling out of the workshop. We are heading to Pongo now. The weather is a little bit iffy, but so we'll see how it goes. We are catching up with some of the old Arc Trailblazers, and we'll be hopefully trying to film a little bit today. So we'll see how that goes. All right, see you at Pongo. It rained quite a bit actually, so we're at Pongo Waterway. We were gonna film a little bit, but I don't think we're gonna be doing too much of that. Some of the members of the Arc family is here today actually, so you can see waiters are up in front there. There's Patrick, there's Herman. This is our drone pilot, Herman. Herman, where's the drone?
Herman, where's a drone?
Where's the drone?
Where's the drone? You mean like Spider-Man? The drone come out. So cute.
Alright.
Nice.
Hey yo guys, so that's a wrap. It's not too much flying time today. There's lots of people. It's a little bit wet, so we'll see how the footage goes. Herman, thank you very much for piloting the drone. We got, Paul, thanks for coming out with us, and of course, if you can spot him, Patrick, Senpai. Alright, it's us, Arc Boss team. Hope you enjoyed your weekend, and out.
Feel the magic. Feel the magic.